that should go on there alright. Just enough room there. Okay, so here we are. We've got a standard Holden 2-barrel intake. Now, what we're aiming for, if you can see that, and then if we go over to here, now if you want to compare that to a standard, so you can see I've taken quite a bit out of there. I've got a really backyard way of measuring it. So thumb can go right in, thumb can go right in, and just see, it's just getting caught. This one can only go getting caught right at the entrance. That one, this has had another rather unique little backyard adapter, which I'm going to work on also down in the throat.